Hello again. Right, I'm tackling the Morgul Lord's Mace, which, well, we refer to it as the Morning Star for some reason. It's a nasty piece of equipment, so I have discerned that we've got 8 spikes in rotation, and I started with a kind of rough block rotated around 8 times. Then I've performed these boolean operations using squashed spheres just to sort of rough out the initial shape, and now we're into some serious sculpting of those areas. Yeah, it's pretty tricky, but working in radial symmetry with 8 points on the axis seems to be working really well. So I'm able to set out these points and make lots of adjustments. Yeah, there's the first render. Yeah, so I've thickened up the edges a little bit, and then I'll take them back again. It's kind of tricky working on thin edges. They're bending around all over the place. But I've got symmetry on. What I would have liked is to have a sort of a sort of X symmetry in the radial. You know, you've got identical sides to each tip, and so it would have been wonderful to somehow work out how to do that. But it's working well. So I found the overall thing a little bit too large there. I'm just pulling back some of the distances. Make sure there's enough space between the points, and just kind of tidying up. Yeah, it's tricky, but not impossible. Started with booleans, ended up sculpting a lot of it by hand. Bit of texture, boom.